This is Dawn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and today I'm going to be making lettuce wraps. This is actually a copycat recipe for P.F. Chang's lettuce wraps. So we're going to need a quarter cup hoisin sauce, a quarter cup soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sriracha sauce, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, a quarter teaspoon of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic minced, a quarter cup of finely chopped onions, an 8-ounce can of water chestnuts, green onions, 2 teaspoons of sesame seed oil, 1 pound of ground chicken, and 1 head of butter lettuce. So let's get started. We're going to combine a quarter cup hoisin sauce, a quarter cup soy sauce, a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, 2 teaspoons of sesame seed oil, a teaspoon of sriracha sauce, and a teaspoon of cornstarch. We're going to stir these ingredients until they're completely combined and set them aside. Now we're going to mince our garlic. Now our onion, we're going to finely chop 1/4 cup. Now we're going to chop our water chestnuts. Lastly, we're going to cut our green onions. We're going to heat some sesame seed oil over medium heat. Add a quarter teaspoon of ginger and stir it in. We're going to add our 1 pound of ground chicken, and we're going to cook it till it's no longer pink. As it's cooking, break it into small pieces. We're going to add our minced garlic and our chopped onions. We're going to stir this in and cook for an additional 3 minutes. Now we're going to add our sauce and stir it in. And now for our green onions and water chestnuts. We're going to add these, stir them in, and cook for an additional 3 minutes. Our lettuce wraps are ready to serve. This is a super easy recipe and so delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me.